Yeah, I just can't see you.
Oh yeah, my camera's off. That's why. What's been going on?
Yes, I got laid off, and at the same time, my girlfriend like broke up with me. It's just a little hard to connect when you don't have your camera on. Where are you?
Here. Okay. I'm currently at the water park. I kind of double booked myself. Oh shit! My wife's trying to get me to take my shirt off.
Should we not have the meeting? Like, should we?
No, this is great.
I'm
Sorry.
saying the Wi-Fi at the water park is really bad too. Okay, you turned your camera off again.
Still listening. I'm hearing everything you're saying. I just have to hit this slide real quick. Can I go through? Okay, thank you.
Okay, so yeah, I get.
You can't bring a hot dog into the.
It's gonna be above water. I don't understand.
The bun is going to disintegrate.
This is literally Nazi Germany.
It's not Nazi Germany.
It's fascism here.
You can't bring food. You can't bring food into the pool.
So now even my patient is up my ass.
Come on.
How are you a therapist?
Well, to be honest, this weekend I wasn't supposed to be a therapist. I was supposed to be a dad.
Are your kids with you right now?
No.
I'm sorry, the junior lazy river has a height requirement.
Wait, so you're not even tall enough to go in the kids' lazy river?
$300 down the drain. Quite literally.
Can we reschedule for a different time or something?
Next weekend I am free. Just text me the morning so I remember.
That's not how it works. This isn't getting coffee with a friend. I'm actually paying you for your help. So no, I don't. If you can't make it, you can't make it. I just need you to know that ahead of time.
So I'll text you when I text you, I guess. You're nodding.
I'm shaking my head. Yeah, you know what? This isn't gonna work.
With your girlfriend?
With you.
Why?